everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. I just got a little ready. I'm wearing this little body jumper, what's it called? Leotard, whatever. This is from Zara and this is from Brandy, and we're gonna put on some sneakers and we're gonna go. I just wanted to put on something on my lips and I got this in the mail from xoxo, so I'm gonna try it. Thank you, xoxo, for being amazing and sending me stuff. It's just like a tinted lip balm. Okay, wow. Like so much color. Okay, we're throwing her in the purse to go with us. What I'm gonna do today is I'm having a date day with myself. It is Saturday, but Adi and I normally have date day on Saturdays, and he's not in town right now, so I was like, I'm gonna take myself on a date day / night. So what I'm doing first is I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's because I really wanna go to Trader Joe's, and then probably Ulta because I want to potentially get makeup, or Sephora. Probably Sephora, yeah, I'm gonna go to Sephora. Forgot they had a Sephora over there. And then I'm gonna get myself smoothies. Yay! Okay, I'm really excited. I really think my outfit's really cute. I'll show you it. I just feel like cool girl, I don't know. Are you guys ready? Ready to spend the day? Honestly, this is like a date with you guys because I'm vlogging it, so date with you guys. I got a mount for my phone to vlog in my car, and like this is game changer. Like, why did I never do this before? Like, this is iconic. We're en route to go to Trader Joe's. Do I even want to go to Trader Joe's? That's my thing. Like, I feel like it's gonna be so crowded. Do I want to put myself through all of that? Try with me vibes. Could not tell you why, but I'm really nervous to go into Trader Joe's right now. I just feel like my outfit is like, it's good for a little time, but not a long time. Like, I think it's cute, but I don't want people to like judge me and shit. And sunglasses will go on top of my head already, so I'm not stressed. I spent like no time in there. Like, I grabbed what I wanted and I left. I got 2 things of chai, which is like honestly the main reason I went there. They have like the best chai concentrate I've ever had in my whole life. It's so good. So I got 2 of those. I got some stuff that I like some sweets that I always get when I go, which is like their cookies, their macarons, and sometimes I'll get their mochi, which I got this time, the Thai tea dairy-free mochi. But literally, forgot that I'm going to Sephora and get my smoothie, and then I have to drive back, and those are probably gonna melt within that time frame. So it wasn't my smartest move, but we're going with it. So now we're going to get my smoothie. I low-key need to get on the freeway, so I'm probably gonna do that really fast. I never get dressed like looking kind of somewhat presentable to go to the store, and I really should start, because as I was leaving, people were saying have a great day. And do they do that when I look like a sloth? No. So this is your tip to freaking go off for the grocery store, okay? Look at my sunglasses, I'm a mess. Ow! Unfortunately, they didn't have what I was looking for at Sephora. They didn't. So good. So I was gonna get another color of this lip product that I was looking for, but I was like, no, I want this color. It's sold out in stores. I'm sure I can find it online or in like a different store. So I decided to just wait. Ugh, it doesn't get better. I need to put that with ice. That is warm. That is lukewarm. If you guys don't have a Sun Life near you, I'm so sorry. I have stuff that's gonna melt. I have to go home. Bye. We're back. Why is this light like not working? We're back and we're gonna try this potato chip. Everything but the bagel seasoned kettle cooked potato chips. They smell very interesting. Taste test. They honestly just taste like pretty good, like really good potato chips, you know? These are actually really good. These are so good. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, I'm back. I just showered. I don't know if you can tell because I didn't wash my hair like always, but I just showered, put on a little pajama set. Can you see? And now I'm gonna go to In-N-Out because I'm thinking that's what I want, even though the line is gonna be insanely long. I'm gonna go there and that's what's happening. You guys missed it, but oh, here we go. So basically, my plant, open bottom, I got from the Trading Post, didn't get a pot for it yet, unleashed some ants. And when I say some, I mean a fucking shit ton. And I've spent so long like killing them and cleaning and all this stuff. And I'm still seeing like a little bit here and there, but like they're kind of just dying with my little multi-purpose cleaner. So if you see me just like spraying, it's because I just saw one. Being an adult, when these things happen, like easily the worst thing I've had to deal with, to be honest. And I just clean them all up. And it's a really fun game we like to play, me and the ants. Shout out to the ants. What are they used for? I just want to know. Oh, here we go, another one. Like, where are they coming from? I'm moving on, for sure. I'm at In-N-Out. I don't think I've ever seen a line this short. I literally just drove right in. Is this allowed? I think so. I don't know. It's so short, guys. I don't know what's going on. Is this legal? This is like the shortest line I've ever seen. I'm like shook. I fully was planning on like going live on Instagram like while I waited, like just making a moment out of it, and no need. Literally, like I could go live right now, but like I feel like awkward. Secured the In-N-Out. I think now what I'm gonna do, as weird as it sounds, I'm gonna like sit in my car and eat, because that just sounds like nice to me, like just eating and sitting in my car. It's like really comforting sometimes to just like sit and eat in my car. I was gonna go to this one spot and then this person like totally jacked my spot. We're just driving, guys. I don't know where we're going. We're seeing where this road takes us. Wow, I just entered like the nicest area. Can I park here? That's the real question. Okay, we're gonna eat and go live on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I ate and my stomach hurts like always. I'm gonna get ready for bed. It's only like 8:20, but I'm tired and I was gonna watch a movie downstairs, but like I told you guys about those ants, I'm still like killing them and I just don't want to have to be like on alert down there because I'm afraid of ants. I don't know what movie I want to watch really, or maybe I'll start a show. I kind of want to start the new Gossip Girl, see what that's all about, but I don't have HBO Max, which is so annoying. Had a good day, productive, and I think I'm ready. Ready to just get into bed. I was gonna do a face mask, but I just want to get in bed and not have to like wash anything off or anything. I'm breaking out also. I don't want to like trigger my breakouts. I'm just putting some polish toy. We're back with the red light. I'm gonna turn on the white light. I'm watching The Greatest Showman. I've never seen it. I've always wanted to watch it, and Adi's never really down to watch it, so this is perfect because he's not here and I can watch it, have a little movie night, and yeah. I'm already so tired, but I'm probably gonna say goodnight and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. I know I look like crap. It's 11 a.m. I woke up earlier because it was so hot in my room because I turned the AC off last night because it was freezing. And then I woke up dying of heat stroke. I think it's Sunday. And for some reason on Sunday, I always just want like to order breakfast. Like I just love I just feel like I like to treat myself on Sunday mornings to not have to make my own breakfast. So I ordered bagels because I love bagels. It's like one of my favorite foods. And it's kind of like something I can't have often because it makes my stomach hurt really bad. But I ordered Western bagel. My favorite dairy-free cream cheese, it's the Kite Hill brand. It's like the best dairy-free cream cheese. It tastes exactly like cream cheese. It's made with almond milk. I picked up some kombucha and then I picked up some strawberries. So I'm gonna have myself like a little brunch this morning. I'm really excited for the bagels to get here. Where are they? I'm not really sure what I'm doing today. Probably nothing. Might go to my parents' house. Honestly, the perk of having brown hair now is like you don't see like how dirty my hair is as bad. So this like I washed my hair last Friday and it's currently Sunday. So my hair is like really dirty, but I might do like a hot yoga class tomorrow. I don't know. I feel like I should since I've gone this long like out with like not washing my hair, so like I should probably like make the most of it and like sweat through my hair, but we'll see. My bagels have arrived and one's in the toaster. I already ate one. I forgot to vlog it for you guys. I'm having a probiotic because my stomach is gonna hurt so bad. I made turkey bacon. Honestly, that's good enough. But here's the setup. I already ate most of it, and then this is obviously bagel number 2. Yay! Let's butter up the bagel. My go-to bagel is an egg bagel, but I already had an egg bagel, and I wanted to try this onion bagel that I got. I shouldn't have buttered up both, or cream cheese both, because I don't know if I'm gonna finish both. Vibe. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video, guys. Thanks so much for enjoying this date with me. Be alone. Hope this motivates you to have a date by yourself. My stomach's gonna hurt. It's fine. We're fine. Love you guys so much. Hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you next day. Bye, guys.